Well, hello everyone. I am finally going to be putting in the rebuilt shore grip that I have for this thing. I've already got the wheels off and the axles unbolted, but I haven't pulled them out yet. I need to get the drive shaft off, and then I'll be able to pull the axles out and drop out the third member. So let's get at it. I'll see y'all in a minute. Well, here it is, out of the Charger. And with my transmission jack, it was not so bad getting that out. The worst part was carrying it all the way back here to my storage building. But here it is sitting on the stand. I'm going to leave it sitting right here for a day so it can drip and get all that extra fluid out. And I got some parts cleaner degreaser that I'm going to use to get the pinion and ring gear clean, so I can see what the wear pattern is, so I can try to match it up if it looks good. So let's turn it over, take a look at it. It's a little catches a little bit right there, but there we go. Let me grab something. And as I'm working on it, I can put that, there we go. And there it is. It's a worn out 489 cone type. Ring gear and my pinion and ring gear look really good. So tomorrow I'm going to get at it, start taking stuff apart, and I get to try out my homemade tool for this right there. That matches up perfect. And got all my parts right there. That's the seal. This is the crush sleeve eliminator right here. And all my bearings. And this is the transmission going in the truck. Just trying to keep debris out of it. There's my parts. There's some parts that I forgot to order. Got that in today. But the rest of this got the clutches and bands soaking in there. Only need to do them for 30 minutes, but I figure I'll just go ahead and leave them in there until I get ready to build it, which should be after I get the shore grip, which is in a crate somewhere in here. I forgot where I put it, but it's in here. It's on oh, here it is. It's wrapped up in that right there. Still need to clean up, but yes, there it is. And I've been rambling, but I'll see y'all probably tomorrow. I don't know. I'll probably wait till I have this thing back together, unless I run into a problem. I might actually do a video showing how to install this crush sleeve eliminator. And I got a I would like a better one, but this is all I could afford at the moment. This is an inch-pound torque wrench, so I can check the preload. And I got some grease in here, so grease paint. See if I can get it out. I prepared so well for this video. But there's a non-drying grease paint that I can use to check the wear pattern. This is what the torque wrench looks like. Nothing fancy, but it'll get the job done. That's it, and I will see y'all in the next video. See you later.